We all know that time spent outdoors can benefit us and our children. Despite this, many of us don't spend much time outside because we're juggling work, childcare and schooling. Throw in wanting to get kids excited about nature and outdoor play, and it can feel too overwhelming. I mean, who has time to become the next David Attenborough or to become knowledgeable as Chris Packham? Maybe the kids are happily beavering away at a project or playing or don't want to come away from their screens. I get it. My company, Buttercup Learning, and this podcast was inspired by my own daughter's reluctance to sometimes put on her wellies and explore beyond the allure of a tablet device or the comfy sofa. But like you, I want my child to experience the benefits of being outside, taking risks, playing with friends, gardening and exploring and uncovering the hidden natural treasures found outdoors. I'd love to give her the confidence to take on small but meaningful nature conservation projects, to become curious about nature. And if you want to take action too, then this podcast is for you. It's called Curious About Nature. It's a podcast to inspire you to become more sustainable and connected to nature. Whether you are a teacher, a tutor, a parent, a grandparent or carer, we welcome you all to the Nature Curious tribe. Join your Northern England host, that's me, Rachel Mills, and guests for tips and conversations on getting outdoors and enjoying what we can see in nature. And in our second season, we invite you to join us for relaxed conversations with leading outdoor learning consultants and authors, forest school leaders, wildlife community engagement officers, lawn care specialists and wildlife camera operators, and animation filmmakers who share their personal and professional experiences with you. They'll encourage you to get outdoors more, make you feel part of a growing community that's passionate about nature, and make it easy and convenient for you to get outside and explore. Listen and subscribe by searching for Curious About Nature on your podcast provider. Come and join the conversation on Instagram at buttercup_hello. We look forward to sharing our first episode of the second season on March the 1st. As we nurture children's curiosity, we can build a generation of environmental champions, passionate about nature.